Reports say by 45, you need almost $1 million. Do you check your bank account and find nothing?
Don't blame yourself. That number is a cruel mathematical lie, designed to make you feel like a failure.
What's the truth about the financial trap crushing Gen X and millennials? How much time do you have to escape? We're talking about America's middle-aged, the 45-year-olds. Their financial reality is often hidden.
First, let's debunk that headline-grabbing average net worth. It's deeply misleading. Concentrated resources can significantly influence outcomes. Their scale can alter the overall perspective.
We need to look at the median. That's the actual middle, unaffected by outliers.
For 45-year-olds in America, the median net worth is closer to $247,000.
A massive difference, isn't it? The $1 million figure creates a false sense of failure. That feeling of, I'm not doing enough, is often a result of these manipulated statistics. It's crucial to understand this. You need to compare yourself to realistic benchmarks. Now, let's look at what comprises most of that median wealth. It's often phantom wealth.
A huge portion of wealth is locked in home equity. It's not liquid. You can't easily access it.
You can't sell a window to pay for groceries. You can't eat your house for dinner. This phantom wealth doesn't pay for emergencies. It doesn't fund your retirement directly.
Many middle-aged individuals have insufficient liquid savings. Their retirement accounts also look sparse.
This imbalance leaves them financially vulnerable. A large asset, but no accessible funds.
It's a common trap, making people feel wealthier than they truly are in practical terms. And then there's the biggest squeeze, the sandwich generation phenomenon. This is brutal. People around 45 are often still actively raising young children. The costs are immense, from daycare to school supplies, extracurricular activities, and daily expenses. It adds up fast.
Simultaneously, they're often supporting their adult children too. They're not completely independent.
This could be student loan payments, help with rent, or even a down payment for a first home.
And then there are aging parents, healthcare costs, elder care, long-term facility expenses.
These costs can be staggering, quickly depleting any savings the parents had, or the adult children's.
The 45-year-old is literally squeezed from 3 directions: up, down, and all around.
This leaves very little, if anything, for their own retirement savings. It's often neglected.
Their financial growth stalls, or even reverses, during these intense caregiving years.
It's a formidable barrier to building personal wealth. Many feel trapped with no way out. This isn't about blaming. It's about acknowledging the unprecedented financial demands placed upon them.
Next, let's burst some bubbles about false promises. First, the myth of inheritance.
Many hope their parents' wealth will be a safe net. The reality is usually grim.
Long-term care, nursing homes. These are incredibly expensive, often 6 figures annually.
Most of that inheritance is consumed by these costs, leaving little to nothing behind.
The dream of an inheritance as a financial boost is largely an outdated fantasy for many. So, expecting a full inheritance or robust Social Security might be a grave mistake.
The Social Security Trust Fund is projected to run dry by then. This isn't speculation.
It means benefits could be reduced to about 78%, a significant cut to expected income.
For those relying on it, this is a precarious position. Your retirement calculations need adjustment. Despite the warnings, political solutions remain elusive. This problem isn't going away soon. So, expecting a full inheritance or robust Social Security might be a grave mistake.
This might sound disheartening. I understand the weight of these truths. But there is hope. Despair is not a strategy. Action is. And you still have a powerful window of opportunity. From age 45 to 65, that's 2 decades. 20 years to make a significant difference. This is your golden window for aggressive accumulation. Time is still on your side. The absolute key is to start now. Delaying even a year can have substantial consequences. First step, brutally honest budgeting. Identify where every dollar goes and where it can be saved. Second, aggressively pay down high-interest debt. Credit cards, personal loans, clear them. Third, consistent investing.
Even small, regular contributions benefit from compounding over 20 years.
Diversify your investments. Don't put all your eggs in one basket, especially at this age.
Invest in yourself. Financial literacy is paramount. Understand the markets, tax advantages.
Don't be afraid to consult a certified financial advisor. A good plan is invaluable.
This journey requires discipline and a strong mindset. It won't be easy, but it's achievable.
The future is not set in stone. Your actions today dictate your financial freedom tomorrow. Don't let the lie defeat you. Take control of your financial destiny, starting today.
Let's delve deeper into how these misleading numbers affect our psyche.
It's more than just math. The difference between average and median isn't just semantics. It's about perceived reality. Many look at the high average, then their own situation, and feel profound anxiety and guilt. But understanding the true median can free you from this unnecessary self-reproach. You're not alone. Mental clarity is your first asset. Distinguish actual benchmarks from statistical illusions.
Let's explore the phantom wealth in home equity. What does it truly mean to have it? Equity builds, yes, but it's locked up. You can't liquidate it without selling or taking on more debt.
This affects retirement planning. If your wealth isn't cash, it delays your ability to retire. Selling your home in retirement means giving up your stability, your community. It's not ideal. Reverse mortgages can be an option, but they come with significant costs and complexities. Be cautious. You need a balance. Home equity is good, but liquid assets are essential for peace of mind.
Now, the sandwich generation in even greater detail. This is where the financial pressure truly intensifies.
Young children mean constant expenses. Think childcare, education, healthcare, clothing, food. These aren't one-off costs. They're a continuous drain on income for 2 decades or more.
Adult children often need a hand. Student loan debt is crippling. Housing is unaffordable for many.
They might contribute, but the burden often falls back on the 45-year-old for substantial support.
The ultimate test? Aging parents. Healthcare is astronomically expensive in the U.S.
Beyond insurance, out-of-pocket expenses for prescriptions, specialists, and long-term care devastate savings.
The physical and emotional toll is immense, not just the financial. It's a constant juggling act. Many find themselves constantly on the brink, always trying to balance 3 separate budgets. This continuous outlay leaves little room for wealth creation. They're locked into obligations.
Personal retirement becomes a distant dream, postponed indefinitely until other generations are stable. The idyllic retirement picture often seen in media? That's not the reality for the sandwich generation. It's critical to realize this isn't a personal failure. These are systemic, societal financial pressures. Now, back to the false promises. Inheritance? Often a pipe dream thanks to the elder care industry. Many parents' entire life savings vanish within a few years of needing full-time care.
On top of care costs, there are legal fees, estate planning, and taxes, further eroding any remaining assets.
It's a tragic reality for many families, watching decades of savings disappear so quickly.
Now, Social Security. The ticking time bomb of 2035 is closer than you think.
This isn't about the system entirely collapsing, but a significant, unavoidable reduction in payouts. For years, politicians have kicked this can down the road. It's a politically unpopular fix. So, planning your retirement based on 100% Social Security benefits is simply naive and risky.
You must plan for a future where Social Security is a bonus, not your primary income.
These realities can feel challenging. It's understandable to feel a sense of burden and the weight of the responsibilities ahead.
But it's precisely at this point, at 45, that you still hold immense power to change your trajectory.
Forget past mistakes. The most powerful moment to act is always right now, this very second.
Your golden window of 20 years. That's a significant time frame for strategic financial moves.
Even seemingly small, consistent savings, compounded over 2 decades, grow into substantial sums. Start by creating a detailed, zero-based budget. Every dollar has a job. Find your surplus.
Ruthlessly cut unnecessary expenses. The small leaks can add up to thousands annually.
Prioritize debt repayment, especially high-interest credit card debt. It's financial quicksand. Increase your investment contributions consistently. Use diversified index funds for long-term growth.
Consider skill development or side hustles. Increase your income streams to accelerate wealth building.
Negotiate raises, seek promotions, or explore new career paths. Your income is your most powerful tool. Build an emergency fund. 6 months of living expenses is your non-negotiable financial buffer. Continuous financial education is your best defense. Knowledge empowers proactive decisions. Don't go it alone. Seek professional advice. A good advisor can provide tailored strategies. This is a marathon, not a sprint. Be patient, be persistent, and celebrate small victories.
You can break free from the sandwich generation squeeze. It requires conscious, deliberate action. Take personal responsibility for your financial future. No one else will do it for you.
This isn't about fear-mongering. It's about empowering you with the unvarnished truth.
You have the tools. You have the time. You have the ability to redefine your financial destiny. The path ahead won't be without challenges, but it is clear, and it is achievable. Embrace the journey. Every step you take, no matter how small, moves you forward. Envision your retirement, your financial independence. Let that be your driving force. Don't wait. Your 20-year window starts ticking the moment you decide to act.
It's time to build the financial future you deserve, free from myths and false promises.
Make that choice today. Your future self will thank you for taking control now.